Hi guys! Ngayon naman ay gagawa tayo ng coleslaw salad. Welcome to Fria's Kitchen! Please subscribe and click bell button para lagi kayong ma-notify sa aming next video. Ingredients: 100 grams shredded cabbage, 20 grams shredded carrots, and half slice onion red, 2 tablespoons Nestle cream, 1/4 cup mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1/2 teaspoon pepper, and 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon vinegar. Instructions: sa isang mixing bowl, pagsama-samahin natin ang vinegar, sugar, pepper, salt, mayonnaise at cream. Then, mix it well. Next, pwede na natin ilagay ang shredded cabbage, sliced red onion at carrots, at haluin natin mabuti. Guys, ganun lang kadali gumawa ng coleslaw salad. Ilagay muna natin ito sa chiller before natin i-serve. Hope you like it guys. Enjoy! Thank you for watching! Kung hindi pa kayo nakakapag-subscribe, please subscribe na at i-click ang bell button para always updated kayo sa aming new video. Thank you! Bye!